Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. I'm not going to take a look at a Forex pair. I'm going to take a look at the Nasdaq index from a technical perspective and weigh in with my technical thoughts. There's no denying from the price action this week that the bias turned more negative here in this in the Nasdaq index. Looking at the daily chart, and you can see that by the break of this swing area here, where we had a number of different swing lows coming in play here. We bounced off of that here, we bounced off of it here, and or moved above it here and bounced off of it. And in trading here this week, the price moved above and below it, but then started to fall below it. In trading on Wednesday's trade chart, moved to the downside, 2.43%. Followed that up with a 1.7% decline yesterday. It took the price below the 200-day moving average. That is key. The price had not been below the 200-day moving average since back here in April. So it was a significant break below that level. We also fell below the 38.2% retracement of the move up from this low going back to October, I guess, of 2022 to the high price that we saw here in July, August of 2023. So breaking below the 200-day moving average and the 38.2% retracement is significant break. And note here today, the high price in trading today reached up to 12772.43, and the 200-day moving average is at 12785. So got within about 13 points of that 200-day moving average and closer to the 38.2% retracement. So we're remaining below those broken key levels. So looking at the daily chart, the sellers are more in control. However, there is a little caveat to this story, and that is going to be told on the weekly chart. Now, if I look at the weekly chart here and I look at this low price that we saw in trading here this week, it came in at 12543, which was right just below the 100-week moving average. Now, yes, we moved below it, and the momentum was pretty strong on the way to the downside. But if we take a look at the current price, we are back above that 100-week moving average. So there is some hope that the test of the 100-week moving average, and by the way, the 50-week is just below that, or below that, and the 200-week is below that. But coming down, retesting the 100-week moving average and finding support buyers against that will be enough to maybe, perhaps, hopefully for the buyers, propel the price back above those other technical levels on the daily chart. But at the very least, what we see from a longer-term perspective, either from the daily perspective or the weekly perspective, is that both are in play. The buyers can be looked at buying against the 100-week moving average and hoping for a rebound to the upside. The sellers breaking below the 200-week moving average, breaking below the 200-day moving average, breaking below the 38.2% retracement. They have a leg to stand on as well. And so it goes as we go into the next week trading with the Federal Reserve Bank on scheduled. It's going to be a key week for the Nasdaq index. Do we get back above the 200-day moving average, 38.2% retracement, or do we move below the 100-week moving average? That's the stakes, folks. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.